Ever feel like no matter how much you earn, you're always broke? It's not always about low income. Often, it's about hidden money habits that quietly steal your future. In this video, I'll show you 7 habits that are keeping people poor, and how to escape them. These tips changed my life, and they can change yours too. This is the most common habit. You earn. You spend. Then wait for the next paycheck. No savings. No breathing room. This trap feels normal, but it's dangerous. Create a habit of saving before spending. Even 10% make a difference over time. Automate your savings so you don't even feel it. If you don't control your money, your expenses will. Most people never make a budget. They just spend based on how they feel that day. Use the 50/30/20 rule. 50% for needs. 30% for wants. 20% for savings or debt. There are free apps like Good Budget, Wallet, or even a simple notebook. Budgeting gives you power and peace of mind. Do you buy things just to look rich on the outside? Fancy phones, designer shoes, the latest tech. All while your bank account is empty. Stop trying to look rich. Focus on actually being rich. That means investing in your future, not in people's opinions. It's never the big things. It's the daily 300 rupees coffee, the snacks, the late-night fast food. These invisible leaks drain thousands each month. Write down every single expense for 7 days. No app needed, just a pen and paper. You'll be shocked by how much you're wasting without knowing it. Swipe now. Regret later. That's the credit card trap. You're borrowing from your future self, with interest. Use credit cards only for planned, necessary purchases. And pay the full balance monthly. Debt is a silent killer of wealth. Life throws surprises, job loss, illness, accidents. Without a buffer, one small emergency can ruin everything. Start a small emergency fund, even 1,000 rupees helps. Build it slowly. It gives peace of mind and freedom. I'll save next month. I'll invest when I earn more. These lies delay your financial freedom forever. Start now, with whatever you have. 100 rupees invested today grows more than 1,000 rupees saved years later. These 7 habits seem small, but they have the power to shape your future. Break them. Fix them. And your bank account will thank you. If you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe for more simple money tips that can change your life.